3 powerful AI websites you absolutely must know. The first website is Raphael AI. With this platform, you can generate both images and videos in ultra-high quality using some of the most advanced AI models currently available, including Seedance 2.0, GPT Image 2, Nano Banana 2, and Seedream 5.0. It also offers a free version that allows you to use the platform completely free of charge, with no login required and unlimited generations. To get started, simply click here to upload up to 3 reference images, or type your prompt directly into the text field. Then choose your preferred format, select the number of generations you want, and click Generate. Within seconds, Raphael AI will create a stunning high-quality image. By clicking on Image to Video, you can transform the image you just created into a video. Simply enter your prompt, click Generate, and after a few moments, the platform will produce a video with impressive visual quality. Raphael AI also includes several additional tools, such as an AI photo editor for enhancing and modifying images, a background remover for instantly removing image backgrounds, and an image expander that allows you to extend images beyond their original dimensions and transform them into different artistic styles. The second website is KikiVoice AI. This powerful tool allows you to clone virtually any voice using artificial intelligence in just a few minutes. You can create highly realistic AI voices, generate voiceovers, podcasts, dubbed content, and social media audio without the need for professional recording equipment. The platform supports over 75 languages, offers emotion control, professional voice customization, and ultra-fast voice cloning. By clicking here, you can record your voice directly from your browser or upload any existing audio file, including one featuring your own voice. You can also rename the file by assigning it a custom title. If desired, you may upload additional audio samples to further refine and personalize the voice style. Next, enter the text or script you want the AI to generate. KikiVoice automatically detects the language. By clicking Insert Pause, you can precisely control the duration of pauses within your script, creating a more natural and expressive voice output. Finally, click Generate, and within seconds, the platform will create an audio file using your cloned voice.
The first website is Raphael AI. With this platform, you can generate both images and videos in ultra-high quality.
The third website is Udio.com. This platform allows you to create complete AI-generated songs in just a few minutes. Click Start Creating, then choose your preferred musical style from the available options. From here, you can either let the platform generate content automatically or enter your own lyrics, which can also be created with ChatGPT or any other AI writing tool. You can also choose to generate an instrumental track without vocals. Select the Auto-Generated option and proceed. Next, customize the overall atmosphere, vibe, mood, and tone of the song according to your preferences. Finally, click Create, and Udio will generate 2 original music tracks for you to preview and use. These tracks can then be further customized, extended, remixed, or refined directly within the platform. Follow me for more amazing AI tools that no one knows about.